Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start at the source fixture. Shut off the circuit and confirm with a voltage tester so you know power is truly off. Once safe, expose the box and separate cable bundles. Identify the hot feed, neutrals, and ground. Make a short pigtail from the hot feed using a 6-inch stranded conductor. This lets you feed multiple fixtures without overloading a single conductor. Do this now, because getting the feed right determines everything that follows. Once your pigtail is ready, connect the hot pigtail to the incoming hot feed and each fixture hot lead. Twist and cap with a correctly sized wire nut so contacts stay tight. Next, join all neutral conductors, incoming neutral, onward neutral, and the fixture neutral under one cap. This completes the return path. Finally, tie all grounds together and screw the ground to the box or fixture body. Grounding prevents dangerous faults, so don't skip it. With connections made, push wires carefully into the box. Make sure wire nuts are snug and no bare copper is exposed. Use electrical tape if needed. Replace the fixture and secure plates. Restore power at the breaker and test switches one at a time, watching for proper operation. If a fixture flickers or the breaker trips, turn the power off immediately. Most problems come from a loose neutral or crossed hot. Re-inspect your caps, pigtails, and ground continuity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.